Welcome to the UN Library and Archives, Geneva. We're happy to assist you with any questions that you may have. In this short video, we'll show you how easily you can ask a librarian. You'll find all the links to the pages we'll see here in the description of this video. Our main contact point is our Ask a Librarian online service. It's accessible from our website. From the homepage of ungeneva.org, scroll down to the Tools, Collection, and Services section, then click on the Ask a Librarian card. Use the form on this page to submit your question and get a response from us by email. You can also bookmark the URL ask.unog.ch/library. Click on the Ask Us link at the top of the page to discover FAQs from our different services, to connect to our chat, and to find contact details for the whole Library and Archives team. Access this page directly at ask.unog.ch. Here you can browse the FAQs by topic or search by keyword to quickly find an answer to your question. From this page and other pages of our site, you will find prompts to connect to our chat service. Click on the red icon with a speech bubble to chat with the librarian in real time and get an immediate response to your question. Our team is here to support your research needs, so save time, ask a librarian.